Global warming is influenced by various factors, both natural and human-induced. Here are some of the key factors affecting global warming. Greenhouse gas emissions. The primary driver of global warming is the increase in greenhouse gas concentrations in the atmosphere, particularly carbon dioxide (CO2), methane (CH4), and nitrous oxide (N2O). Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels for energy, deforestation, industrial processes, and agriculture, release large amounts of these gases into the atmosphere, enhancing the greenhouse effect and trapping heat. Deforestation, primarily for agricultural expansion, logging, and urbanization, reduces the number of trees available to absorb CO2 from the atmosphere through photosynthesis. This leads to higher levels of CO2 in the atmosphere and contributes to global warming. Industrial processes, industrial activities, including manufacturing, mining, and cement production, release greenhouse gases and other pollutants into the atmosphere. These emissions contribute to global warming and air pollution, exacerbating environmental and health problems. Agricultural practices. Agriculture is a significant source of greenhouse gas emissions, mainly methane and nitrous oxide. Livestock farming, rice cultivation, and the use of synthetic fertilizers are major contributors to these emissions. Changes in land use for agriculture also affect carbon storage in soils and vegetation, influencing global carbon cycles. Transportation, the combustion of fossil fuels in vehicles, airplanes, ships, and other modes of transportation releases CO2 and other pollutants into the atmosphere. The transportation sector is a significant contributor to global greenhouse gas emissions, particularly in urban areas and industrialized regions. Land use changes. Changes in land use, such as urbanization, agricultural expansion, and deforestation, alter the Earth's surface properties and affect energy exchange processes. Industrialization and urbanization. Rapid industrialization and urbanization in many parts of the world have led to increased energy consumption, pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. The concentration of industries, vehicles, and human activities in urban areas intensifies environmental impacts and contributes to local and global warming trends. Natural factors such as volcanic eruptions, solar radiation variability, and natural climate cycles like El Niño and La Niña can influence global temperatures over short-term and long-term periods. Addressing global warming requires concerted efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, mitigate deforestation, promote sustainable practices in agriculture and industry, and transition to clean and renewable energy sources. By understanding the factors contributing to global warming, we can develop effective strategies to mitigate its impacts and build a more sustainable future.